Someone is getting fired. Squid Game Season 2 cameraman spotted by eagle-eyed audiences in filming Blunder. Squid Game, a cameraman has been spotted in Squid Game Season 2 by eagle-eyed audience members in a filming blunder for the Korean Netflix original series. Season 2 focuses on Gi-hun, Lee Jung-jae, going back into the mysterious game, hoping to face down the front man and end the killing of participants once and for all. This includes a new cast of participants, alongside returnees like Junho, Lee Ha-jun, and Jungbae, Lee Se-won. The ending of Squid Game Season 2 received some mixed reviews from audiences, who enjoyed the show but felt the final episode wasn't a proper season finale. Now, Slice Remote on our Squid Game has pointed out a cameraman in one shot of Squid Game Season 2, Episode 7, Friend or Foe. During an action sequence when Gi-hun leads contestants in fighting against the game's soldiers, the user noticed a cameraman in the upper right corner of one of the shots.